spent Wednesday with our friends at Faithful Steward, south of the city of Burgas. We visited a couple of kindergartens, a school, a couple of protected homes, including a crisis centre for young children in need of urgent shelter. And we also went and visited a senior citizens' home to give out presents there as well. We've had a really great day, and we have seen your presence spread a lot of joy. So it's been an absolute privilege, as always, to give out the Christmas boxes, and we have really enjoyed our time down here in southeast Bulgaria, as you will see from the clips.
Айде след малко ще го отворите да видите какво става. Тук имаш, виж, да шиеш. Видя ли? 30 години шиеш. Виж, това е наш коя.
То не му е.
Виж, това си модерна. Ей, се бома, чакам си.
Можеш ли да плачеш? Така. Няма да плачеш. Не да плачеш. Спокойно.